Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Pratama from class 11 IPS 2, absent 31. I want to make video about how to do push up or step by step push up. Okay, step 1. Stand straight with both feet together with your hands. Addition to straighten your hands and lock down. Okay, step 2, bend your body down, next bend down your hands are also lowered forward. Make sure the hands until the feet are level and both hands are strong enough to support the body. Okay, step 4, lower body down and raise the body up.